Have you ever felt like it's just too late? Like the world has passed you by and your best days are behind you? If you have, then I want you to listen very closely to this story. It's about a man who at an age when most people are settling into retirement decided to start a revolution. Imagine this. You're 65 years old. Your business has failed. You're broke. And your only income is a Social Security check for just $99. What do you do? For most of us, the answer would probably be to give up, to accept that this is just how life is now. But that's not what Colonel Harland Sanders did. Instead of surrendering to his circumstances, Colonel Sanders looked at what he had. It wasn't much, but it was something powerful, a secret fried chicken recipe. A recipe he had perfected over years, a recipe he truly believed in. So, with that belief fueling him, he loaded up his car and began a journey that would defy all odds. He started driving, crisscrossing the country, going from one roadside restaurant to another. His pitch was simple. He'd say, "Let me cook my chicken for you. If your customers like it, I don't want any money up front. Just give me a small percentage of the sales." It sounds like a pretty good deal, right? A delicious, proven recipe for a share of the profits. You'd think restaurant owners would jump at the chance. Well, they didn't. He was told no again and again and again. He heard every excuse in the book. "We have our own chicken recipe. We're not interested. Go away." He slept in the back of his car, living off the very chicken he was trying to sell, facing constant rejection. 1 no, 10 no's, 100 no's. Can you even imagine the mental fortitude it takes to keep going after that many rejections? Colonel Sanders heard no 1,009 times. 1,009 doors slammed in his face. It's a number that's almost impossible to comprehend. But the colonel wasn't focused on the rejections. He was focused on getting that one yes. And then, finally, in a small town in Utah, a man named Pete Harmon listened. He tried the chicken, saw the potential, and he said yes. That single yes was the spark that lit the fuse. That first franchisee agreement was the birth of what we now know as Kentucky Fried Chicken, or KFC. From that one yes, an empire was born. KFC grew from a single small restaurant in Utah to one of the largest, most recognizable fast food brands on the entire planet. Today, there are tens of thousands of KFC locations in over 150 countries. And it all started with a 65-year-old man in a white suit who simply refused to give up. So, what's the takeaway from this incredible story? It's a powerful reminder that rejection is not the end of the road. It's just a part of the journey. Every no you hear is just bringing you one step closer to that life-changing yes. And more importantly, it proves without a shadow of a doubt that it is never ever too late to chase your dream. Your age, your bank account, your past failures, none of that defines your future. Your persistence does. Your belief in yourself does. Next time you feel discouraged, next time you feel like the odds are stacked against you, remember Colonel Sanders. Remember the 1,009 rejections. And remember that all it takes is one yes to change everything. Keep going, keep believing, because your big break could be just around the corner. Thanks so much for watching. If this story inspired you, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next one. We'll see you in the next video.